Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to cover classification of organic compounds. Organic compounds are classified into following two main categories. First one is open chain or acyclic or aliphatic compounds, and second one is closed chain or cyclic or ring compounds. Open chain or aliphatic compound is further classified into following two categories, that is hydrocarbons and derivatives of hydrocarbons. Both these categories are further classified into saturated and unsaturated compounds. In case of hydrocarbons, we are going to study alkanes under saturated category and alkene and alkyne under unsaturated compound category. Now, our second main category, which is closed chain or cyclic or ring compound, it is further classified into homocyclic or carbocyclic compounds, and second category, that is heterocyclic compounds. Now, homocyclic compounds and heterocyclic compounds are further classified into alicyclic and aromatic compounds. Now, firstly, taking up organic compounds, these are the compounds which are chiefly composed of carbon, hydrogen, and some other elements like nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, phosphorus, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. The organic compounds are classified into following two main categories. First one is open chain or acyclic or aliphatic compounds, and second one is closed chain or cyclic or ring compounds. Now, open chain or acyclic compounds are the straight or branched open chain carbon compounds. Closed chain or cyclic compounds are the compounds which contain closed ring or rings of carbon atoms. Now, open chain or acyclic compounds are further classified into hydrocarbons and derivatives of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are the compounds which are only composed of carbon and hydrogen atoms. In case of derivatives of hydrocarbons, along with carbon and hydrogen atoms, other heteroatoms are also present like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, chlorine, bromine, etc. Similar to hydrocarbons, its derivatives are also classified into saturated and unsaturated compounds. If its derivative contains single bond, then it will be saturated, and if it contains double or triple bond in between carbon atoms, then it will be unsaturated ones. Now, hydrocarbons are classified into two types. One is saturated hydrocarbons and second one is unsaturated hydrocarbons. In case of saturated hydrocarbons, there is presence of only carbon-carbon single bonds. It contains only one category, that is alkanes, and its general formula is CnH2n plus 2, where N means number of carbon atoms in the compound. Now, taking its example, ethane, since the word root is eth, it means there are two carbon atoms. Now, applying the formula CnH2n plus 2, for two carbon atoms there will be 6 hydrogen atoms, and these two carbon atoms will be combined by a single bond only. The second category, that is unsaturated hydrocarbons, these are the compounds which contain carbon-carbon multiple bonds. If the compound contains carbon-carbon double bonds, then it is alkene. And if the compound contains carbon-carbon triple bond, then it will be alkyne. Now, general formula for alkene is CnH2n. Taking its example, ethene, there are 2 carbon atoms. So, according to the formula, there will be 4 hydrogen atoms. These 2 carbon atoms are combined by a double bond, that is why it is in the category of alkene. Now, alkynes, general formula is CnH2n minus 2. Taking its example, ethyne, there are 2 carbon atoms, so according to formula, there will be only 2 hydrogen atoms. These 2 carbon atoms are combined with triple bond in alkyne. Now, classifying closed chain or cyclic or ring compounds, there are 2 categories. First one is homocyclic or carbocyclic compounds and second one is heterocyclic compounds. In case of homocyclic compounds, since homo means same, the main ring it is made up of only carbon atoms. Second one is heterocyclic compound, since hetero means different, so along with carbon atoms in the main ring there are certain other heteroatoms like oxygen or nitrogen or sulfur. Both homocyclic and heterocyclic compounds are further subdivided into alicyclic and aromatic category. In case of heterocyclic compound, the first category is alicyclic compound, in which in the main ring there are carbon atoms and along with that certain other heteroatom. Now, taking up example of pyrrolidine, there are 4 carbon atoms and 1 nitrogen atom making the main ring. Valencies of each carbon and nitrogen atom are satisfied with hydrogen atom. Second category is aromatic compound. In this case, one of the carbon atom of benzene ring it is replaced by certain other heteroatom. Example here is pyridine. Its formula is C5H5N. In this case, main ring is made up of 5 carbon atoms and 1 nitrogen atom. Now, classifying homocyclic or carbocyclic compounds, there are same 2 categories, that is alicyclic and aromatic compounds. In case of homocyclic, alicyclic compounds, the main chain or the main ring it is made up of only carbon atoms. Minimum 3 carbon atoms are required for the formation of the ring. Taking example of cyclopropane, there are 3 carbon atoms which are making up the main ring and the valencies of each carbon atom are satisfied with hydrogen atoms. Second category is aromatic compounds, and these are the compounds which contain 1 or more than 1 benzene rings. Since the compound is homocyclic, it will contain only carbon atoms in the main ring. Now, taking up example of benzene, there are 6 carbon atoms which makes the main ring and each carbon atom is attached with 1 hydrogen atom for satisfying the valency. So, its formula is C6H6. So, this is the summary of flowchart for classification of organic compounds. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.